Hello, my name is Jackie Witters. I'm a diminished value expert. I've been a mechanic 43 years, and I'm going to show you how to put these tires on this pedal car in a matter of seconds. Here's how you do it. Get you some Dawn soap. Mix you a nice little bit, 3 or 4 tablespoons in there, some water. Watch this here. Take your soap and water. Put it on here. It takes a little bit of strength. Now you gotta work it. Ain't none too easy. Just roll it on up there. She'll go. Takes a matter of time. Your son-in-law, your daughter, clearly meets that definition. And so the question is, did he follow that regulation? Did you have the appropriate agency at the time to look into this? Did you seek guidance? There you go. That wasn't hard at all. If it don't go into, if you want to go a little bit easy, just add some more soap to it. That'll do it. We got one more here. Let me show you this one here. I already did all the mothers, but I figured some of you people might need some help to get that puppy on there. Second tire. Second dish soap. There you go. Run that puppy in there real good. Okay. Be good and slippery. What I'm going to do on the other side here is I'm going to get down here and I'm going to pull this over. I'm going to pull that puppy this way, so you work it. There we go. Alrighty. So, you got a pedal car. Personally, I wouldn't recommend heating up the rubber. I know it's recommended. So there it is. You got your tires in there, all 4 of them on the car. Took me about 10 minutes to do them all. I did take 2 of the wheels off before I started. I realized that why should I take the wheel off? I'm just leave them on the car. Okay. Good luck. Thank you very much. Now, if this helped you out a little bit, appreciate a pass along here. And I'm a diminished value specialist and a lemon law expert. If you have a car's been an accident, not your fault, and repaired, you're entitled to that diminished value. I write those reports, and 99% of the people I write them for have gotten paid. So thank you very much. Now, I'm the owner of Lemon Protection, and this is your pedal car experience today. Bye bye.